Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. It's a Mark 7 facelift, 1.5 litre, match Evo TSI 130 PS. Now, the car's looking great and it has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, a forward collision warning, a city emergency brake, an automatic post-collision brake, alongside these 16-inch Woodstock alloy wheels. Now, the boot's a good size and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has WeConnect Go dongle, a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay, and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.